चैन फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। तो आज का वीडियो लेकर मैं पार्ट 3, पार्ट 5 एंड पार्ट 6 के कॉम्बिनेशन के ऊपर। तो इसमें आपको तीनों पोर्शन के क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे यहाँ पे, जो कि आपके आने वाली अपकमिंग एसीसी एंड जो वाइलसी के लिए जा रहे हैं कैंडिडेट्स, उनके लिए काफ़ी हेल्प करने वाली है। सो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें। साथ ही साथ अगर आपको कोई हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना है या हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन करना है तो ये नंबर पे आप हमें व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। 9038219100 नंबर यहाँ पे रिटर्न है। साथ ही साथ अगर आपको नोट्स चाहिए तो नोट्स के रिगार्डिंग भी आप यहाँ पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जो भी डिटेल्स आपको यहाँ बता दी जाएंगी। तो चलिए पहले क्वेश्चन के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं। यहाँ पे वर्ल्ड कप क्रिकेट 2023 का वेन्यू क्या है? इंडिया है। हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ इसरो कहाँ पे है? बैंगलोर में है। वैलिड टाइम फॉर चेक, चेक के लिए वैलिड टाइम कितने दिन का होता है? 3 महीने का होता है। नेशनल साइंस डे कब सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? फरवरी 28 को। फर्स्ट बैंक इन इंडिया दैट इज बैंक ऑफ हिंदुस्तान। परसेंटेज ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इन एयर दैट इज 78%। फर्स्ट ओलंपिक गेम्स हेल्ड इन एथेंस, ग्रीस। इसके साथ आपसे डेट्स पूछे जा सकते हैं कि जो एथेंस में ओलंपिक गेम्स हुए थे उसकी डेट्स क्या हैं। जो पहला ओलंपिक गेम्स हुआ था वो 1896 में, 6 अप्रैल 1896 में हुआ था। नेक्स्ट है, विच इज़ द अपोनेंट टीम ऑफ द फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच ऑफ सचिन इन 1989 दैट इज पाकिस्तान। व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की टू एक्सपेंड ब्राउजिंग स्क्रीन इन वेब ब्राउजर दैट इज F11। नेक्स्ट है, सिमला एग्रीमेंट टुक प्लेस इन 1972। इस सिमला एग्रीमेंट के अंदर क्या चीज़ें थी वो बता देता हूँ मैं। सिमला एग्रीमेंट के अंदर ये थी कि सीज फायर का कोई उल्लंघन नहीं करेगा। पाकिस्तानी साथ ये डील हुई थी। ASCII स्टैंड फॉर दैट इज आस्की कोड स्टैंड फॉर अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड कोड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरचेंज। What gases can be found on Saturn? That is hydrogen and helium. What is the process called in which zinc oxide is applied to metal to stop them from rusting? That is galvanization. DBMS full form, database management system. Which fundamental right is granted even to non-citizen of India? That is Article 21, right to life and personal liberty. The second roundtable conference was conducted in which month? 1931, that is in September. Who was awarded the 2015 Nobel Prize of Literature? That is Sultan Alzevich. How many fundamental duties we have? We have 11. Leukodroma, safe dark treatment, that is Pseudocyst. Next one, Confession Award 2016 was given to Robert Mugabe of Zimbabwe. What is the full form of UNFCCC? That is United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Recently, the Delhi police launched an app for women in disaster. The name of the app is Himmat. Father of all India services, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Name of the operation that lead to capture the death of Osama bin Laden, that is Operation Neptune Spear. Who started the Home Rule movement in India? That is Annie Besant. Chenab Jhelum are tributary of which river? That is Indus. Winner women double title at BNP Paribas Open Tournament in 2016, that is Saina Mirza and Martin Hingis. Who is the only male in the National Women Commission? That is Alok Rawat. Who came up with the concept of properties of element repairing as a property of their atomic number as in arranged in the periodic table? That is Dmitry Mendeleev. Which organ removes nitrogenous compound from the blood? That is kidney. Rocket launching pad of India, that is Sriharikota. INS Vikrant were decommissioned in which year? 1997. What is study of soil called as pedology? In which year Aryabhatta was launched? 1975. The Aryabhatta was launched from Soviet Union, which is called as Russia today. While raining, a type of smell which is known as ozone. Who is Chairman of Human Rights Commission? That is Achal Dutt. What is the number of balls in snooker? That is 22. Fastest century in Test cricket match? That is Brendan McCullum. Who is the president of South Asian Wrestling Federation? That is Brij Bhushan Saran Singh. Delhi is made capital in which year? 1911. World Vana Pradi Day? That is 6th October. Pakistan cricket umpire which has been banned for 5 years? That is Asad Rauf. The first animal domesticated by Neolithic people, that is dog. What is the full form of NASA? NASA, that is National Security Agency. Sorry, NSA. Who was first female judge of High Court? That is Annie Kande. Which gas is filled in balloon? That is helium. Which constitution amendment was enacted by Indira Gandhi during the emergency? That is 42nd Amendment. Who holds the record for the fastest test 100? That is Brendan McCullum. The president signed a protocolum under which article for imposing president rule in Arunachal Pradesh, that is 356(1). Jeevan Raksha Padak has how many categories? That is three categories: Sarvottam Jeevan Raksha Padak, Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak, and Jeevan Raksha Padak. Pune Pact was signed in which year? That is 1932. Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) was established in which year? 1988. India's victory over the New Zealand in Test match series in April 2009 came after how many years? That is in 40. That is after 41 years. Who has been elected as the PM of Georgia on 29 December 2015? That is Georgi Kvaratskhelia. What is the age of the universe? That is 13.8 billion years. CBSE, latest mobile application for providing learning, is called eCBSE. That is, E was missing here. Next, who was the first female Muslim PM in the world? That is Benazir Bhutto. Gyanpith Award of 2015 was given for which book? That is Amruta. Dinosaurs were present on the era in which age? That is Mesozoic era. Who is the chairman of Yes Bank? That is Radha Singh. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Subhash Chandra Bose founded which party? That is All India Forward Bloc. The last king of Chola dynasty, that is Rajendra Chola 3. Who became the only Indian Governor General? That is Rajagopalachari, who has been honored twice with the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics and 1911 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. That is Marie Curie. Next, the second airport in the National Capital Region of Delhi, that is Bhiwandi. First modern Summer Olympic 1896, that was held in Athens. Statue unveiled by PM Modi in UK, that is Basaveshwara. Alsani Otai is president of Ivory Coast. Which is the following has atomic number 3? Lithium has the atomic number of 3. Kesari Marathi newspaper founded by Lokmanya Balgangadhar Tilak. World first cashless country is Sweden. Gautam Buddha gave his first ceremony as Sarnath. First animal to go to the space orbit, that is a dog. His name was Laika. Next, science that deals with disease, particularly of men, that is andrology. Real founder of Gupta dynasty, that is Chandragupta I. Who among the following was a CEO, founder of Swaraj Party, that is Motilal Nehru. Indian hockey team won the Olympics in which year? 1928. and अभी लेटेस्ट था लास्ट वाला, दैट वाज, कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करिए कब इंडिया ने अभी लास्ट जीता है, वो भी ब्रॉन्ज मेडल. नेक्स्ट, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ साउथ एशियन रेसलिंग फेडरेशन, दैट इज ब्रिजभूषण सिंह. आर्यभट्टा ऑलरेडी रिपीटेड वन. दिल्ली बिकम द कैपिटल, रिपीटेड वन. अंशु गुप्ता Ramon Magsaysay award winner, that is founder of Gons. Who is the opposite leader of Rajya Sabha? That is Ghulam Nabi Azad. World Animal Day, October 4th. Thomas Cup related to badminton, that will be the repeated one. 10 rupee and 125 rupee coin has been created for whom recently? That is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Mixed double Wimbledon Chapman 2015, that is Martina Hingis and Leander Paes. Distance of light traveling in 1 year, that is 10 trillion kilometers. ASLV launched in 1994. Reddish is an orbit route. Red planet is Mars. Study of the liver is haptology. Galvanization of steel and iron is done by zinc. Which of the following mountain come under biodiversity hotspot? That is Western Ghat. Saraswati Saman Award winner in 2014, that is Virpa Moli. Belur Math, located in West Bengal. Who is the captain of T20 Women World Cup winner team in 2016? That is Stephanie Taylor, West Indies. First civilian president of Myanmar, that is Hitin Kawa. Old name of ICC, that is Imperial Cricket Conference. Official language Goa is Konkani. Distance between the sun and earth is 149.6 million kilometers. I am recently opened in which state? That is Andhra Pradesh. Salar Jung Museum located in Hyderabad. Indira Gandhi National Center for Art is in New Delhi. Mizorom's capital is Azawal. Next, India T20 Women's Team Captain 2016, that is Mithali Raj. World's happiest country is Denmark. Name of Pakistan Parliament, that is Majlis-e-Shura. This type of question already came in the ACC exam, so you must know about the names of the parliaments. Which gas is the mostly present in Venus atmosphere? Which gas is mostly present in the Venus atmosphere? That is carbon dioxide. What is the most intelligent mammal on the earth, that is dolphin. Two atomic number or molecules that have the same electronic structure and the same number of valence electrons is called isoelectrons. CDM stand for cash deposit machine. What is the normal temperature of a human body? That is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, that is 37 degrees Celsius. This is also a repeated question in ACC. Capital of Manipur, that is Imphal. So this is all about the part 3, part 5 and part 6, and we'll continue in the next video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.